Welcome back to e-Vidya, where learning is easy. Today we will look at the exercises from chapter 3, give and take, of your maths textbook. In a previous lesson, we looked at Kittu's home and how rooms are arranged within his home. We noticed that there are 100 rooms in his home, and they are arranged in a way that each row has 10 rooms and there are 10 such rows. So the first row has 1 to 10, the second row has 11 to 20, the third row has 21 to 30, and so on. So in the second row, for example, you have 1 in tens place. So there is 110, and then how many ever ones you have? 110 and 1 1 is 11, 110 and 2 ones is 12, and like that 110 and 7 ones is 17, so and so forth, except for the last room which has 2 tens. Now another example, let's look at this line. You have 6 tens in all of these rooms except for the last one which has 7 tens. So 6 tens and 1 1 is 61, 6 tens and 4 tens is 64, 6 tens and 7 ones is 67. Let's look at it using another example over here. Okay, say for example, you are in room number 45. Okay, so if you move one step to your right, that is plus 1. You move one more step to your right, that is plus 2. So you're adding 1 each time you're moving to your right. So when you move one step to your right, you're adding 1 to your ones place, that is 46, and another 1 if you add, you're coming to 47. Again, if you're moving one step to your left, which means you're subtracting 1. If you move one more step to your left, you're subtracting 1 more. So 45 minus 1 is 44, and you subtract another 1, you come down to 43. So as you move from left to right, you're adding 1. Now when you're moving right to left, you are subtracting 1. Okay? Now if you're going one step up, you are adding 10. If you go one more step up, you're adding another 10. So 45, you're adding 10, you come to 55. And you add one more 10, you come to 65. You need to notice that the number in the ones place is not changing. Only the number within the tens place is changing. So you have in 55, you have 5 tens. You go one step up, you are adding 1 10. That is, you have total 6 tens, which is 60. And then the number in the ones place is not going to change. So you add 5, you are in 65. So as you move up, each time the number in the tens place is going to increase, and the number in the ones place will stay the same. 4 to 5 in tens place and 5 to 6 in tens place. Each step up, the number in the tens place will increase. Now similarly, each step down, you are subtracting 10. So 45 minus 10, you come down to 35. Let's do it. 45, that is 4 tenths. You subtract 1 tenth out of it. You have 3 tenths. So 4 becomes 3 in the tens place and 5 remains the same. So you come down to 35. Each time you go down one step, the number in the tens place will decrease by 1. That means you are subtracting 10 ones, which is the same as 1 tenth. Okay, I hope you understood this. Now let's look. This is what we covered in the previous lesson. Now I just wanted to do a quick recap before we move on to some exercises. Okay, now the first one we have is 10 less than 34. So 10 less than 34. You have 34 here and you are going one step down, which is 10. When you go one step down, you come down to 2 tenths and the ones place will stay the same. It is 24. Let's look at it here. So you are on 34, 10 less than 34. Like we said, we go one step down, that is minus 10. So if you go one step down here, you come down to 24. The number in the ones place has not changed. Only the number in the tens place has decreased by 1. That means you are subtracting 10. So 34, 10 less than 34 is 24. Now 53 minus 20. You are on 53. You need to subtract 20. So one time you go down, you are subtracting 10. Okay, then you're on 43. You subtract another 10, you are down to 33. So 53 minus 20 is 33. Okay, the next one. 11 more than 31. You are on 31. So 11 more. First let's do a 10 more. So you go one step up, which is plus 10. You come down to 41. Now you said 11 more. So let's go one step up. Sorry, one step to your right, which is plus 1. You come down to 42. So 11 more than 31 is 42. Okay, the next one is 11 less than 66. You are on 66. We need to do 11 less. So let's come down one step, which means you subtracting 10, you come down to 56. Like I said, the ones digit stays the same, but the tens digit is decreased by 1. That means you're subtracting 1 10. You come down to 56. Now we have to do one more less. So go one step to your left, which is minus 1. You end up on 55. So 11 less than 66 is 55. Okay. The next one is 62 plus 13. You are on 62. You need to do plus 13. So let's go one step up, which is like adding a 10. So add a 10 to 62, it becomes 72. 6 tenths becomes 7 tenths, and then the 2, 72. And then we have to add 3. Go one step, that is 73. Go one more step, that is 74. Go one more step, that is 75. So 63 plus 13 is 75. We first went one step up, which is 72, then took 3 steps to the right. This is 2. I don't have the space, so I came down here. Third step is here. 1, 2, and 3. You're right. That is 75. Okay. The next one is 23 less than 89. 23 less than 89. So let's start at 89. You have to come down 2 steps. That is minus 10 is 79. One more minus 10 is 69. So we did 20 steps down. 2 steps down, which is 20. And then we have to do 3 steps to your left, which is minus 1, 68. One more minus 1, 67. And one more minus 1 is 66. So 23 less than 89 is 66. The next one is 10 more than 40. This should be very, very easy. So 40 is 4 tenths. You add one more 10, it is 50. 40 is 4 tenths. Add another 10, that is 5 tenths, which means it is 50. Okay, the next one is 9 added to 28. Let's start with 28. Okay, let's do it this way. This is also easy. Let's go one step up. Bear with me. I know we are adding more than we should, but listen. 28 plus 10, you go one step up, it becomes 38. So we added one more than what we should have. So let's give back one. Take a step to your left, subtract 1, you come down to 37. So we first added 10, but then gave back 1. So we added only 9. So 9 added to 28 is 37. The next one is sum of 9 and 44. This is similar to what we did earlier. You are on 44. So like I said, let's do it easily. Let's add 10. So you go up one step, which is 54. Now, like we did last time, let's give back 1. Go one step to your left, that is minus 1. So you come to 53. Okay. Next one. Reducing 98 by 34. Reducing is nothing but subtracting. Less than. Start at 98. It said subtract 34, which means 3 tenths. Let's go 3 steps down. Is one step down is 88. One more step down is 78. One more step down is 68. So 3 steps down is 68. Now, we have to give back 4 ones. 1 is 67. 2 is 66. 3 is 65. Give back one more step is 64. So 98 minus 34 is 64. We took 3 steps down and then 4 steps left. That is 64. The next one is easy. Also 37 plus 4. 4 more than 37. We can just count also 38, 39, 40 and 41. The next one is take 35 away from 83. Let's start at 83. They want us to take 35 away from it, which is again subtraction. 35 is 3 tenths and 5 ones. 3 tenths and 5 ones. Okay, let's do first the 3 tenths part. Come down one step is a 10 minus 73. Come down one more step is another 10 minus, right? Each time you come down, you are subtracting 10. So 2 tenths are over. The third 10 is 53. So 3 tenths are over. Now we have to take 5 steps. This is 5 ones. So take 5 steps to your left. One is 52. Another one is 51. Another one is 50. Another one is 49. And another one is 48. So 35 away from 83 is 48. That is one way to do it. Subtract, come down 3 steps and go 5 steps to your left. The other way to do it is, let's take 4 steps down. Let me erase this. Okay, let me take 4 steps down. 83. One step down is 73. Another step down is 63. Another step down is 53. Another step down is 43. So we came down 4 steps, that is 40. 5 more than the one they wanted us to do. They wanted only 35. We took 40. So we took 5 more than needed. So we have to add 5. So let's move to the right. 44. Second step is 45. Third step is 46. Fourth step is 47. And the last step is 48. So we still get the same answer, 48. So we could go down 4 steps and then take 5 steps to the right like we did here, or go down 3 steps and then take 5 steps to your left. Either way, we come down to 48. Okay. Now, let's go here. 37 plus 9. 37 plus 9. This is also easy. Say you're on 37. You go 1 step up, that is plus 10. You come up to 47. But you have to give away 1. Go to your left, that is minus 1. Come down to 46. So 37 plus 9 is 46. Now, the next one is 65 minus 30. This is also very easy. 65 minus 30 is, come down 3 steps. 55, second step 45, and then third step 35. 65 minus 30 is 35. 1, 2, 3. 3 steps down. That is 30 minus. Now, 46 plus 21. Okay, you are on 46. 21 is 2 tens. Let's go 2 steps up. 56. One more step up is 66. Now, 1 add a 1. So, take 1 step to your right. That is adding 1. You come down to 67. Okay. 87 minus 30. So, you're on 87. Come down 1 step, that is minus 10. 77. Come down another step, that is 67. Come down another step, that is 57. 30 is nothing but 3 tenths. 1 tenth, 2 tenths, and 3 tenths. 37. 3 tenths is 30. So you're on 57. 87 minus 50 minus 30 is 57. The next one is 66 minus dash is 11. So let's look at this one. 66 minus dash is 11. So we need to start on 66 and we have to come all the way down to 11. 11 is 1 10 and 1 1. So we come down to the line where it is all ones. So 66 down to 16 and then to 11. Let's count. 66 down to 56 is 1 10, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths, and 5 tenths. That is 50. 5 tenths is 50. Now, from 16 to 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 ones. That is 55. So, to come down from 66 to 11, we have to take 55 steps. 45 plus dash is 99. Okay, let's go back up there. 45 to, is it 99? Yes. We have to take how many steps to reach 99? Okay, you're on 45. Let's go all the way to the line that has 9 tens. Here we are. And then we have to go to the right up to 9 ones. Right here. Okay. Let's count. Here is 110, 210, I'm sorry. Okay, 110, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, and 5 tens. 5 tens is 50. You are at 95. Now, we have to move to 99. 1, 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, and 4 ones. That is, add a 4. So, we have 54. So, to move from 45 to 99, you need 5 tens and 4 ones, which is 54. Forty-five plus 54 is 99. The next one is dash plus 26 is 75. Okay, let's start at 26 and see how we can get to 75. Let's start at 26 and see how we can get to 75. 26, come down to the line that has 7 tens. Okay, and then we have to go to 75, one step to the left. Okay, now how many steps did we take up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 50, and we took one step to the left, 76 to 75, right? So that is, we have to give away minus 1. 50 minus 1 is 49. So we need to take 49 steps from 26 to reach to 75. Okay. Now the next one. Dash minus 21 is 35. Okay. So we have to start somewhere above 35 and take 21 steps down to reach 35. Right? You have to start somewhere up from the top, above 35. Take 21 steps down to reach 35. Okay. This is not hard at all. Let's do that. You have to reach 35. You have to take 21 steps down to reach 35. So where do we have to start? So let 21 is 2 tens and 1 1. This is tens. My handwriting seems to be bad. Okay, I'll start. We have to take 21 steps down. 21 is 2 tens and 1 1, right? So we have to start 2 tens above 35, 1 10 and 2 tens. So we reach 30, 55, sorry. And then we have to set minus 21. So we have to add a 1. So take one step to your right. We come to 56. 2 steps up is 20 and 1 step right is plus 1. So we added 21. So that means if we start at 56 and take 21 steps down, we come down to 35. Let's look at it backwards. Color. Okay. Start at 56. Take 2 steps down is 20, minus 20. And then 1 step to your left is minus 1. minus 20 and minus 1 is minus 21. We come to 35 just like we wanted. So we have to start at 56, and to reach 35 we subtract 21. So answer is 56. Okay, answer is 56. The next one is dash plus 9 is 36. So how do we reach to 36 from 9? Let's start at 9. And we have to reach 36. Start at 9. Let's go to the line where it is all 3 tens. So how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 tens is 30. But we came here to 39. We have to come only to 36. So let's move some steps to the left. Start here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We're at 36. So we have to give away 3. 30 minus 3 is 27. So the answer is 27. Okay, the next one is 40 plus dash is 76. So we have to start at 40 and reach 76. Start at 40. And we have to reach 76. Okay, I'll go to 50. 1, 2, 3. We have to reach 76. So I'll go to 80. 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I took 4 steps up, that is 4 tenths is 40. But I have to come back to 76. I went far ahead. So from 80 I go to 79, 78, 77 and 76. So I took 1, 2, 3, 4 steps to the left. So I give back 4, which is 36. So to move from 40 to 76, I need 36 steps. Okay. Answer is 36. Okay, the next one is 98 equals dash plus 50. So let's start at 50 and see how we get to 98. Let's start at 50, see how we can get to 98. Start at 50, go to 98, go one more up. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps up is 5 tenths is 50. I went far more than I should. So I go back to 98, which is 1 step and then 2 steps. 2 steps to the left is minus 2. So 50 minus 2 is 48. So to reach from 50 to 98, I take 48 steps. Okay. So the answer is 48. Okay, I think the last one is 57 minus dash is 20. So we have to start at 57 and reach 20. Start at 57. Let's reach 20. Okay, 57. One step down is 47, 37, 27. It is 3 steps. And then one more step down is 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps down is 40. 4 steps down is 4 tenths, which is 40. But I went farther than I should. So I have to go up to 20. 1, 2, 3. This is minus. You came down 4 steps, that's minus. You are moving to the right, which is a plus. So that will be 37. So from 57 down to 20 will be, we need 37 steps. Okay. That is 37. Okay, I think this is a good point to stop. We will pick up the remaining exercises, which is a slightly different concept, in another video tutorial. Thank you for listening, and please remember to subscribe.